Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Terry. So today, as usual, I will be doing a protective styling on my hair for this week. Today I just want to do something that is really simple and quick. So I was thinking about doing like 2 cornrows to the side or flat twist or something. I'm not sure yet. And I probably put something like in the middle and so let's see what we come up with. My hair is freshly washed and moisturized. I use a Contour Daily Moisturizer to moisturize my hair, and then I seal that in with my hair growth oil. I'm going to do a part right here so I can put a braid in the middle. Okay, so once I have that parted out, I am going to go ahead and I'm going to braid that. So as usual, I'm going with this Canada hair wax. I'm going to use this to smooth my hair down so that I can braid my hair neatly. So now that we have this braid going down, we're basically going to work on these 2 sides here, but I want to like have a part coming this way so I can do a twist down, coming down on each side. I'm going to start flat twisting. So I'm going to separate one part, split that in 2, and then I start twisting, coming down, and as I come down I grab more hair. It's hard to explain, like really hard to explain. Let me get my rhythm. So as I twist down I grab more hair. Some gel to the end, and then I'll just continue twisting. I don't know, probably the gel will shrink my hair, but maybe it will make it like really curly too. So right here I'm just gonna braid that going backwards. First I'm gonna like separate right here. So I'm gonna go in with the wax, or you can use your edge control. And I'm going to take a hair tie and I'm just going to pull up this section. But first I'm going to get some gel. I'm going to brush that in. And I'm also going to take the braid from the middle. I'm going to add it to this section here. Here I'm going to put this into 2 twists. Now it's getting cold, I want someone to hold, yeah. Alright, so this is what I'm working with so far. I'm looking like a kid. Anyways, so now I'm just gonna go in and work on my edges. So I'm taking my Eco Styling Gel. I'm gonna go in with some hair wax on top of that. And then I'm gonna start swooping my hair. It's to know that God loves me. Yeah, you guys saw me went in with my edge control and the gel, and I did my edges and I tied my hair up to reduce frizz. So this is the finished result for my hair. So if you guys enjoyed this video today, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Thank you so much for watching.